And I've been in chiropractic care, I would say, for probably about 10 years, and 5 of those years, about 5 of them have been with Dr. Morrison. I come to him, I do have bruxia, and so I need my neck adjusted as often as I can, usually every 10 to 14 days, and that puts me in good stead. And recently I was in an auto accident and had whiplash, and he's helped me through that care process. The other thing I like about him is that he teaches you. He has taught me a lot about my body, and he's just taught me how to take care of my body better, nutritionally, physically, exercises for me to do. It's, what can I say? I know 4 people who come here, and we all think he's terrific.
My name is Lisa Rutledge, and I'm a professional beach volleyball player, and I'm from San Diego County, and I see Dr. J for chiropractic work about 2 to 3 times a week, and honestly, if I could go more, I would. You know, I play beach volleyball, and it takes a serious toll on your body. I'm traveling all over the world. I'm going to Moscow, to Rome, to Korea, and 20-hour flights are not fun. So when I get back, my body is just out of alignment. It just feels weird. It just doesn't feel right. So as soon as I get off the plane, I book my appointment with Dr. J, and I get my adjustment, and I feel 100 times better. It's just, it really does wonders for your body.
Our goals here at Gold Chiropractic are to educate and motivate people to be the healthiest beings they possibly can. I think what separates our facility is the state-of-the-art technology we have called the Insight Millennium. This allows us to be able to measure your state of wellness, your state of overall health. We also strive to constantly educate our clients to maintain the highest level of well-being. If you're in pain, if you're just looking to increase your overall health, allow our facility to serve you. Allow us to see if we can help you and guide you to optimal health. Thank you.